Welcome to this year's exciting Tesla holiday software update. This is one of the most significant updates in a while, and I'm thrilled to walk you through the new features. First and foremost, Tesla has finally introduced an Apple Watch connectivity feature. Now, if you own an Apple Watch, you can pair it as a key for your Tesla. This means your Apple Watch can automatically lock and unlock your car without needing to press any buttons. It works just like a phone key. As long as you're wearing the watch, it uses Bluetooth to handle everything seamlessly. You can also check things like your car's battery status and perform basic actions such as opening the front trunk or the rear trunk. Pairing your watch is super easy. Just open the app while near your car, follow the pairing option, and you're all set to go. Next up, we have the much-requested mobile app Dashcam Viewer. This new feature lets you watch and save Dashcam and Sentry Mode clips right from your phone. It's been a highly anticipated addition, and it's finally here. To use it, make sure the view camera via mobile app setting is enabled on your car's touchscreen. If you've installed the latest update, it's likely already turned on. With this feature, you can review your dashcam footage with ease, and the best part is that these videos are encrypted, ensuring that even Tesla can't access them. It's worth noting that several features in this update require a premium connectivity subscription. If you don't have it yet, it's available for $100 per year. Lastly, Tesla has also added support for SiriusXM, which many users have been asking for. It's great to see this feature finally included in the update. Stay tuned for more updates as Tesla continues to roll out exciting new features. If you're excited about the Tesla updates so far, let's dive into some more fantastic new features that have just rolled out. One notable addition is SiriusXM support. While I personally haven't used SiriusXM, it's a feature many Tesla owners have been asking for, and it's finally here. It's a big deal for fans of the service, and it's great to see Tesla continuing to listen to user feedback. Another exciting feature is Set Arrival Energy. This has been a popular request for a long time. Now you can set a preferred battery charge level for when you reach your destination. For instance, if you're heading to a friend's house or another location and need to ensure you have enough charge to return or travel elsewhere, you can plan for that. This feature automatically adjusts your route so you arrive with the battery percentage you've set. I can't count how many times I've needed something like this, so it's a game changer for planning trips more effectively. Another handy feature is the precipitation map and destination weather info. You can now see live precipitation data directly on your car's map. While navigating, you will also get a weather update for your destination through the weather pop-up. What's more, if there's a significant weather difference between your current location and your destination, the system will notify you. Real-life challenges with weather and energy efficiency. One of my own experiences highlights the importance of weather awareness and energy planning. On a mild October day, I barely made it home because of unexpectedly strong headwinds. Those gusts drained my car's energy more than I anticipated. Situations like this make Tesla's new weather and energy tools even more valuable. Rear Cross Traffic Alert. The Rear Cross Traffic Alert is another fantastic addition. When you shift into reverse, the car will now warn you if it detects a pedestrian or vehicle crossing behind you. It does this by highlighting the relevant side of the rear view camera feed in red. TuneIn Redesign. For those who use TuneIn, there's now a redesigned, personalized interface tailored to each driver profile. The updated system improves support for sports broadcasts and podcasts while offering richer station profiles, making it more enjoyable for listeners. Light Show Update. If you're into Tesla's Light Show feature, you'll love the new additions. 2 new shows have been added, Cyber Symphony by Lion LU and Ready for Assault. Even if light shows aren't your thing, it's fun to see how Tesla continues to innovate and add playful features to their vehicles. Privacy concerns. Tesla's ability to provide these incredible updates every year is thanks to the car's smart, always connected system. However, this raises concerns about data privacy, not just for Tesla, but for cars in general. To combat this, I highly recommend using a service like Delete Me. It's designed to help remove your personal information, such as social security numbers, birthdays, and addresses, that's being collected and sold online by data brokers. Protecting your privacy with Delete Me. For those concerned about online privacy, Delete Me is a service that removes your personal information from hundreds of data brokers and search engines. It's straightforward. After signing up, submit your details for removal. The experts at Delete Me then locate and remove this data for you. Within 7 days, you'll receive a detailed report, and the service continues to monitor and remove your information regularly. New game. Boomerang Fu Tesla owners who enjoy gaming in their cars will love the addition of Boomerang Fu, a brand new game. While I don't personally game in my Tesla, it's a welcome addition for those who do. Theater and Video Updates Tesla has improved its media player with new controls and functionality. You can now use the media card to play or pause active video content from the browser or theater. One of my favorite updates allows you to start a video in the web browser before your drive and enjoy the audio while on the road. This is especially useful for educational content or long YouTube videos. I've used it to study for exams, and it's been a game changer. Passenger Seat Controls. Another handy feature is Passenger Seat Control. You can now adjust the position of the unoccupied passenger seat directly from the touchscreen. Simply go to Controls greater than Seats to make adjustments. Maintenance Summary. The new Maintenance Summary feature provides a record of when routine maintenance tasks were last completed and suggests when they need to be done next. To access this, go to Controls greater than Service, greater than Maintenance. It's a great way to stay on top of your car's health. Minor but notable updates. Here are a few smaller updates that add convenience and refine existing features. Nearby parking directions. Tap Nearby Parking on any point of interest page to get directions to parking spots near your destination. Dynamic Road Closure Routing. The navigation system now detects road closures through fleet data and dynamically adjusts your route. Sentry Mode alerts. If someone attempts to open the door or trunk while Sentry Mode is active, you'll receive a notification on your mobile app. Dashcam Clip Optimization. When reviewing dashcam clips in your car, the video player now skips directly to the event, saving you time. Updated Energy app and more. Tesla has also revamped the Energy app. The updated consumption page now lets you view your energy usage over the last 200 miles, a significant increase from the previous 30-mile limit. This extended view provides a more detailed and useful analysis of your driving efficiency. When navigating to a supercharger, the system will now notify you on the touchscreen if any charging stalls at that location are out of service. This small but vital feature ensures you have the most accurate information when planning your charging stops. Enhanced safety features. While reversing, your music volume can now automatically lower to help you focus better on parking. It's a thoughtful safety improvement that I'm happy to enable for added convenience and peace of mind. Game and performance updates. For gamers, Vampire Survivors has received updates with new features and optimizations. Tesla has also applied various minor fixes and performance enhancements to improve the overall experience. Wrapping it up. That's a complete rundown of the 2024 Tesla Holiday Software Update. This list of features truly adds value and excitement, making it feel like waking up to a brand new Tesla, just in time for the holidays, no matter which one you celebrate. Thank you for tuning in. If you're looking forward to more Tesla and tech content, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.